Thank you for showing interest in our videos. If you want to get more connected with our videos, you may want to subscribe and also want to press the bell icon so you start getting notifications for our all new content upload. How should I explain Scaled Agile framework to an executive? I keep getting this kind of question frequently in my Agile coaching class. If I have to answer it, I would say SAFe provides an agile approach for program and portfolio management. There were many frameworks and approaches for facilitating development using agile approaches. But in many organizations, the solutions are complex and the customer can only make value out of a development work when the multiple development teams' output gets integrated. The SAFe provides an approach for doing a planning which is integrated, doing an execution where all these teams are continuously integrating their work and as well as learning from each other. Once the organization matures in their program management practices using Scaled Agile framework, they can also start looking at the portfolio approach of SAFe. Many organizations find gaps between strategy and execution. The Scaled Agile framework portfolio part gives us an approach which helps us in aligning the strategic direction by way of evaluating the large initiative and finding out which one is an appropriate to get started with development. And the portfolio layer also provides help in looking into the execution work done by the team and keep validating how this work aligns with overall strategy of the organization. So this is how I will approach this particular question. I'm curious to know how would you explain SAFe to an executive. You can share your answer in the comment section of this video.